Alright guys, what's going on? I just wanted to do this video really quick. This will probably be the only video I'll do on silver or anything like that. But I wanted to, if any of my subscribers are interested in stacking silver or doing anything with silver, please go over to another OverTaxed taxpayer channel, Clever Coin or Silver Dragons. They do outstanding things with silver and gold. But I wanted to show you guys this and tell you this story really quick. We had a plumber come out, and he did a couple of things that we needed him to do for the house. The bathtub did not have a P-trap, so we had to have him do a P-trap. So on the big purchase of silver that we did, he overheard me talking about silver, and he had questions. He said he did not know where to actually purchase silver, and he didn't know, that you could actually do that. So I ended up showing him these. These are all 0.99. These are 1 gram, I believe. 10 grams. They're 10 grams. Got the skull and the crossbones. So I got 5 of those, because I figured they were kind of neat. So this is actually the first silver purchase that I made, and this is the first silver purchase that I made actually after watching another OverTaxed taxpayers video. I watched his first, and then I subscribed to Silver Dragons and Clever Coin. So he does mention the silver. So when the plumber actually came out, when he finished, because I talked to him, I told him about silver. I am not a I'm not a doomsday prepper. I do think it's a good idea to have some type of silver or gold just in case. Don't go freaking nuts. Don't put all your money or anything like that into silver. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money, but I do really think that you should have a little bit of silver stacked aside. Okay, so I actually bought 10 bars. So I've got 8 left. So I actually gave him a bar. I gave him 1 ounce of silver and a $5 bill. So he basically got a $20 tip. You should have seen his eyes when I gave him that bar. Yeah, I mean, he actually looked at me. He was like, "Are you serious? Are you serious?" I said, "Yeah, go ahead and take it." So I wanted to tell you that story because since he mentioned that, I got that in the mail yesterday. Now I opened it because I didn't know what it was. I was kind of nervous. I'm like, because I don't remember ordering from where it said it was ordering from. But as soon as I pulled it out, I was like, oh, I know what that is. So this is actually going to be, so I pulled it out. So this is actually going to be the showing of my whole entire order. This should be fun because I have not seen these yet. This is the first time I have purchased silver coins. So there they are. Oh, that is so cool. I wanted to get that one because I loved that. I loved that. That is so cool to put that on a silver coin. So I thought that was pretty neat. And here is one of my stacks. I also wanted to show you these. And I'm not doing this to brag or anything like that, but I did get some gold coins. Those are my very first gold coins. How about that? About the size of a dime. Let's see. 1/10 of an ounce. Very fine gold. But I wanted to show you all that stuff. Please, if you're interested in any of that silver, go ahead and check out their channels. I'll leave them in the link in the description box. All right, guys, take it easy. And I wanted to say thank you to Silver Dragons, excuse me. He changed his name. Clever Coin and another OverTaxed taxpayer. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you for giving me the website. I'll put the link to the website that I purchased this in the description below as well. Well, thank you very much, guys. Hope you guys are all taking it easy, and I'll show you what the updates I've done to the house. I've actually finished painting, but we'll go through that later. All right, guys, take it easy. I hope you have a good one. Peace.